And hello, my friends and followers. Just a follow on from the yesterday video that I uploaded regarding this OBD OBDStar thing. As you saw yesterday in the video, we were struggling to get it to connect to the coursers. Today we've got it on the bench because we have some courser gear here on the bench. And it's a little bit of an update. There is still no satisfaction from this because it still doesn't work. So if you want to pause the video now, if you're not interested in what we're going to go into, that'd be great. That's fine. I'm just want to show you where we are with the trying to find out what's going on. Right. Okay. So if you follow the instructions that you do get with this unit, you can go and log into OBDStar and you get an upgrade tool or software piece of kit. And you take the memory card out of this, stick it in the computer, and it then run the program, and it comes up with the following. So you can downgrade, technically. You can downgrade the firmware, software, whatever you want to call it. And that is what I've done. The information that you are looking at here is the original memory card when I bought the unit. So it is running the latest available software, which it does say there, the latest versions available. And we are currently running the latest versions. That's what we was running yesterday, guys, when we were talking to the coursers. That said, I've got another memory card because I don't want to disturb the original, and I have programmed it with a downgrade. I think I've gone for the middle one out of these options, so you have those there. Doesn't tell you what the upgrades consist of, doesn't tell you advantages, disadvantages, or any of that. It's just a tool to literally update the little memory card, basically. Okay, so I've gone for, I believe, the middle one. So we'll go to the unit. We are plugged into the gear on the bench here, which consists of a CD player. We've got the display, and we have the clocks. There is also a BDM there at the back. There is no ECU. Can't find room to put it on the bench. Anyway, that aside, doesn't make any difference. Let's go to the unit. So let's see what we've got now. So options wise, we can go to immobilizer, version 30.23. Emo, let me just go to that one, just to, I suppose it's just to prove what I'm saying. Yeah, 30.23 is in the middle. So we're running version 30.23. And there we go, we got a read pin code. And this is where we got options now, a body control module or other system, which is nice. That's what we were talking about yesterday. Body control module, auto or manual. Let's go auto. And oh, it's even told me the type that the body control module is looking at, which is good. And enter again. This feature is not supported. Marvelous. So it told us there the chipset. So let's go down to the manual then and see what options we've got. So we're looking for a 3379 with a 93 C86 EEPROM. Okay, so this is the list of body control module chipsets, I'm guessing. And I can't see in that list a 39 anyway on an EEPROM. Hence, it's not supported. Now, I haven't done any checks to find out what year of vehicles all those are. I'm guessing it's the older stuff. Course of C, possibly. I don't know. I am guessing. If anybody wants to comment on that, by all means, put some comments on the bottom. Right, okay, let's go out of that then. When buy other system, let's have a look at that. What's that consist of? Switch ignition on. Here we go with a switch on ignition thing again, which is much fun. Read pin code. Yeah, whatever it is it's looking at, it ain't working. Doesn't actually tell you what it is. It just says it ain't working. Now, that could have been looking, possibly, at the ECU. Obviously, we haven't got one on board. I don't know. It would have been nice if it had had something on there to just tell us what that was actually looking at, but it is what it is. So we'll come out with that one. Switch ignition on. Again, this is what rubbish we had yesterday with the car. Switch ignition off. It doesn't do jack. I haven't got a key switch, obviously, widened to this, other than the relays. That might be something I might want to play around with a bit later on. We'll see. Anyway, point being, it don't work. Come out of there, and then we've got immobilizer. Select from vehicle. Right, we've got a nice list here. A nice list. Astra J. More than what we had yesterday. Oh look, there's Corsa D and the Corsa E. Ooh, good range. Corsa E, Corsa D. 2005 onwards, look guys. That definitely tells me 2005 onwards. Program keys, array keys. Right, okay, well, we don't have any of that kit in it, so we can't really do any damage, to be fair. Switch ignition on. I know it wants the pin code, but we don't have the pin code, so we can't actually do it. F1, that gives us our... So you can stroll across and put the digits in accordingly. If we do that, it's going to muck up the BDM, because it'll set the security timer off. Erase keys. Switch ignition on. Again, it's wanting pin code, so we can't even do it on that. Oh, how disappointing. How disappointing. Select from type. Now, again, this just comes up with this type 1, 2, 3, 4. I did read vaguely, I'm sure it's just to do with ISO types, and I'm sure that 3, 4, and 5, again, please quote me if I'm wrong, I'm sure they're CAN bus, because we are talking to a CAN bus network. That's what this is, but again, it doesn't work. And don't forget this, guys, we downgraded here. We downgraded the firmware software issued by OBDStar. And it still is not happy. Now, as I did show you on the computer there was another version. Well, I have tried that. I'm trying to keep this video short. We're into 8 minutes already. It doesn't work on that either, guys. It's the same thing. Remote control. Again, we've got nice little selection there. We've got Corsa D as well. Erase remote. Well, there is no remote because there's no key stuff. So that ain't going to work. So there we are. It's still a disappointment. And I don't think even the OBD live data works on this. Now that could be because the ECU is not connected. So that could be an issue. So I'll tell you what I'm going to do. I'm going to try this in one of the cars. One of the cars that we had yesterday, the 12 plate, 11 plate, and the 9 plate. I'm going to try it in that and see if I can get any joys. If I do, I'll make a little video. If there is no more videos to follow for this piece of kit, this OBDStar, then obviously it's failed. There's no point in me showing you failure after failure after failure. So we'll go with that. So there you are, guys. 9 minutes in. This thing, as I said yesterday, it's not worth the box it came in. And it's a bit of a shame, really, because I was hopeful for that. I didn't pay 150 quid, as I said yesterday. I paid about half because I purchased it second hand. Just another thing to, just touch base with this. For the online software, this stuff here, you need the dealer code, which obviously I bought second hand. I didn't get it. So I actually got in touch with OBDStar themselves, and they gave me their dealer code, which was that one. And it worked. So that was really lucky, in my opinion. to get this online upgrade tool to work on the computer. So there we are. Right, guys, any comments down below? Thanks for watching. If you're enjoying my videos, give us the old thumbs up, and we'll catch you on the next one.